Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to show you my little Erin Condren haul and do a quick flip through of the academic planner. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content, and if you're not, welcome back. I had some referral points to cash in, and so I thought I would try out some of these new Erin Condren stickers and stuff. And I also have a daughter who is going to be a senior in high school this year. So she wanted to try out an academic planner. So I got kind of a small order. So first I'm just going to show you the stickers I got. I already opened these so I could look. But this is the Doodles and Desk Sets sticker pack. I don't off the top of my head remember how much these were. These were all like, I would say between like $5 and $7. But this is 3 sheets. And they're all similar, but you can kind of see it's a different foiled, which is super pretty. I won't use all of these stickers. Like, I'm probably not going to use like cool and fun and stuff like that. But I like basically what I bought this for is I wanted some more of these planner stickers, and the llamas and stuff are cute. So I like the foiling on those. And then I got the 3D Puffy sticker sheet. I don't think I took these out yet, but these, again, like I probably won't use these actually in my planner because I feel like it would make it a little bulky. But I just felt I needed to own them. And they're kind of like, you probably can't really see, but there's some kind of imperfections in the printing on these, but they're kind of fun. I might stick them on a journal or who knows. And then finally I got the Petite Planner Travel Journal sticker pack. We don't really travel much at all, but we are actually going out of town this weekend and I didn't really have any stickers, so I got this. It's 2 sheets of the same thing, but these are cute. And there's a few in there that could be used not necessarily for travel, just on a regular basis. So those are like the gold foil, I believe on, yeah, both pages are exactly the same. So there's that. All right, next I got a notebook. A couple weeks ago they had, the notebooks were 25% off, which is why I got one. I actually just wanted the cover, but it was only a few dollars more to get the whole notebook, so I did. I think this cover is going to go on my planner, and then who knows what cover I'll throw in here. But I got the dot grid, just to give you an idea. That's how many sheets come in it, with no extra pages. And there's some of these stickers in the back, so I just like these notebooks. I don't know. Sometimes I would rather have just a sheet of paper, kind of for scratch paper to like do my daily to-dos or whatever, or just kind of a brain dump. So I can't ever have too many extra notebooks on hand. So there is that. Now I'm going to show you the academic planner. We did a custom colorway on this. I think it was charcoal and mustard. On this cover, and just the regular platinum coil. And then the special with this was you also got the tabs and the date dots. So name, school, year there. And then in front here it's got this section for projects and exams. Quite a few of those. I don't know how many, I didn't actually count. And then some note pages. And then these are what the months look like. They're blank, so you can add, you know, write in and then put the date dots in, whatever. And then the weekly spreads look like this. So you can write in the date here. There's just a blank column in the middle. The weekend is smaller. And then the to-do list over here. The reason I wanted to do a quick flip through of this, like, wouldn't this make an amazing blog planner? Like, I kind of wish I had ordered one of these. Even a regular planner. I just really like this layout with the different columns of the to-do list, basically. And there's 12 months of that. And in between the months, there are a few note pages, which I also really like. And then in the back, there are, oh, I'm not to the back yet. I think just a couple note pages. yeah, just a couple note pages like with all the other months. And so there's no folder back here. There's no clear pouch. There's some stickers that are kind of school centric, no class, exam, etc. But this planner was like, I want to say like $35. Honestly, I really like this format. I could see this easily working as, you know, a regular planner in place of the life planner. So I just wanted to do a quick flip through and show you that. I'm going to go ahead and leave my Erin Condren referral link below. If you've never bought anything from Erin Condren, you can get a $10 off your first purchase coupon, and it doesn't have to be a planner. You can buy stickers, anything. And I'll leave my other social media links and coupon codes below. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.